What's your favorite season? If you ask me the same question, I'd likely not hesitate for a single second before saying summer. Yeah, those long days, warm nights, getting up early before the sunrise to start my day before anyone in the house even thought about waking up. That is without a doubt my favorite way to start the day. But we all know that summer doesn't last forever, and those seemingly endless days fade for shorter ones. The sunrise gets later, and it starts to bleed into the time that I need to get my boys ready for school. Cold mornings prompt me to put on an extra shirt before taking the 3 steps between the back door and the shop. Then I spend the first 5 or some days 10 minutes cozied up to my little 2-burner propane heater, just trying to get the place warm. Everything's just a bit harder in the cold, dark morning, but there's something pretty special about spending your mornings in the shop this time of year. The switch from summer to fall to some people means football, jack-o'-lanterns, and pumpkin spice. Well, pumpkin spice everything. But to a small, and some might say old-fashioned, or even crazy group of us, the switch means maker season is in full swing. That list of things you told your wife you could make so easily is now occupying your every thought. As you settle in and the shop warms up a bit, there's a coziness about the place. Coffee tastes better with sawdust. And since you're playing Santa and crossing a couple gifts off the list, your wife forgives you for dragging all that sawdust into the house. Maker season is my real favorite season. Yeah, I might tell you summer's my favorite, but the reality is, it's the switch between summer and fall. That's where the magic is. That's where that little thing inside me flips, and I find my element, my purpose. Part of it some might call selfish. Yeah, sure, it's selfish. It makes me feel good to make things. It makes me feel better to make things for someone else. And this time of year, I get to feel good. You've just watched me make a pair of cutting boards I like to call citrus boards. They're the perfect size for cutting up a piece of fruit to add to your favorite holiday cocktail, or if you just need a little cheese with your wine. You can download the template files at the link below, and since it's maker season, they're completely free. There's templates for the more traditional woodworkers, and even files you can run on your CNC. I only ask for one small favor. Make at least one extra board and gift it to someone you know will enjoy it. After all, the best part about making things is giving them to someone. Hey, thanks for watching, and more importantly, for listening. I hope everyone out there has an awesome maker season.